it is time to attach our straps. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab just the part of the straps that attaches to the bag. Okay, so we have that one, and then we have this one. All right, it's easier if you're just using these parts. And then I'm going to put them where I want them. And for this bag, I think I want them like here and here. So I want it in the middle of this little triangle, but I still want to be able to see the number. So I'm just going to pin that right there. Did I? No, I only pinned the the strap. I didn't go all the way through. Longer pins are better. Or those really, the much longer wood ones. All right, so that was here and here. I have to find its counterpart on the opposite side, right? So again, put it centered on this seam and high enough up though that it's not blocking the number, and give it a little pin. Okay. I left one yarn tail. If you didn't, if they're all woven in, whatever, you can just thread up another piece of yarn. You could even use sewing thread for this. I like using yarn because it blends in. Okay, so now, usually when I'm going to sew it on, like I use the pin to decide where it goes, but then I take it out once I'm about to start sewing and just kind of hold it on. My fingers are not behind where I will stab my fingers with my needle when I go through, okay? And now remember, there's the plastic canvas stabilizer, so if you start to push through and it's hard, just kind of wiggle a little bit so that you're going in between in the holes in the plastic canvas as opposed to trying to go through one of the solid pieces of plastic. All right, and now I'm just going to come up and down a few times to almost make like a little box to hold this on, trying to keep my stitches on the same color as the yarn that I am using. And this is really all it takes. I mean, this stuff is this is nice and sturdy and doesn't take anything fancy pants to make it stay on. We're just sewing through the bag strap and then all the layers of crochet and lining and plastic canvas, and that is more than enough to hold this sucker together, right? Okay, so we went up the side, we just went across the top. Now we're going to do 1 or 2 stitches down the other side. And now I don't want to have a knot in the middle inside of my bag. Like, I don't mind seeing the stitches from holding the bag strap on, but I don't want to put a knot in there. So I'm coming back up, and what I'm going to do to weave in this end is I'm just going to stitch through the center of all of this. Okay, pull it. And then again, through the center of all of this, pull it. I mean, you can start off with a knot here if you had wanted, but I'm not really even worrying about that because it's going through so many times, this is not coming out. Okay, and then through the center one more time. So I went through the center of all of this crochet 3 times, all right? And that is plenty to weave in that end even without a knot. It is very, very secure. And then you just clip your end. I kind of give it a pull so that when I let go, it pulls itself back inside. And we will attach the other side the same way. And then you can just clip your strap onto that. And I would clip my strap onto this side, and you are good to go.